Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Marvel Rivals on your PC. So there's a couple of methods you can use to install Marvel Rivals on your PC, and in this video, I'll show you all the ways. So the first method is by downloading the APK file from the official website. So all you have to do is launch your browser and type in marvelrivals.com, and you should get to this page. And then from here, click on Play Now, and then give it a few seconds. And then you can see three methods of downloading the game. So since you are downloading the APK file, simply click on NetEase Games. Click on that. And then from here, you should see a download pop-up appear. Now from here, choose the location you want to save that particular APK file to. So for me, I'll just save it on desktop. So click on desktop and then click on save. And then it will download that particular file. And you can see the progress at the top right corner of your screen on this download icon. So you can click on it and you can see the download process. Now, once the download is complete, simply head to the place you saved that particular file. So for me, it's on the desktop. And that particular file should look like this: loading bay _Marvel Rivals _setup.exe. So once you find the file, double click on it to launch it. And then you might be asked to allow any permissions. So simply click on yes. And then give it a few seconds. Now you should get to this page. So all you have to do is choose on the location whereby you'd want to save that particular game. So you can, by default, it's set to disk drive C, program files, and then loading bay. So you can either choose to change it by simply clicking on browse and then finding the location you want to save, and then click on OK. Additionally, you can choose to create a shortcut for loading bay on your desktop. And then once you have made your choice, you can click on this to ensure that you have read and agreed to the user terms and privacy policies. So once you're done, simply click on install, and this will install the loading bay application. So give it a few seconds. Then once the installation is complete, it will launch the loading bay application. So as you'll see, loading bay is launching, and then you should get to this particular page. So at this particular page, let me just expand it. At this particular page, you can see details about the game. So you should find the install option. So simply click on install. And then you should see the installation progress begin. So depending on how fast your internet is, allow the download to complete. And once the download is complete, you can now launch the game and play it on your PC. Now, the other method you can install this game is by using Steam. So if you have Steam installed on your computer, simply click on the start button and tap search for Steam, Then here's Steam, click on it. And then from here, you should sign into your account. So for me, I have enabled auto signing. So it should sign into your account. And then once you sign into your account, you should get to this page. Then now from here, click on the search bar that appears and type in Marvel Rivals. And then find the game you'd like. So that game particularly, And then from here, you should see the Marvel Rivals page. And then now from here, scroll down and find the option Add to Library and click on it. So you'll see a notification, Marvel Rivals has been added to your account. It's now available in your library. So click on OK. Now from here, simply click on the library option that appears on the top left corner. And then within the games section, simply find Marvel Rivals and click on it. And then from here, you should see the install option. So click on install. And then if you want to create a desktop icon, simply check that. If you want to create a startup menu shortcut, simply check that. And then from here, choose the location you'd like to save your game to. So for instance, if you want to choose the location, simply choose the location. And then once done, simply click on install, and the installation process will begin. So allow the installation process to complete, and once it's complete, you can now launch your game and play it comfortably on your PC. Now the other way is by using Epic Games Launcher. So for this, you have to download and install Epic Games on your PC. So I have done a video on how to do that, so I'll link it down in the description below. So once you have downloaded the Epic Games Launcher, simply launch it on your PC. And then you should get to this homepage whereby you have to sign in to your account. So if you have an account created, simply click on the email address, type in your email address and password. Or if you don't have an account, simply click on create an account and follow the process, the steps rather, for you to create an account on Epic Games. So since I have an account, let me type in my account details. Once you type in your details, simply click on sign in, then give it a few seconds. Now, if you have enabled 2FA on your Epic Games account, you'll have to enter a 6-digit code that has been sent to that particular email address. So launch your email and find the code and then type it in. So let me find the code on my email address. And then type the code. Then click on continue. Then give it a few seconds to load up. And then from here, you should get to this page, at the store page. Now from here, you can use the search icon and click on the search icon, rather the search bar that appears on the top. Click on it. So this page, click on the search bar at the top and type in Marvel Rivals. Now for some reason my search bar is not working, but as you can see, Marvel Rivals has been suggested. So simply click on play for free and then give it a few seconds. So at this page, you can see all the details about the game and ensure that your game supports the Marvel Rivals system requirements. So check on your PC or scroll down until Marvel Rivals system requirements and see if your PC supports Marvel Rivals. So you can scroll down and find this page and then check if your PC can support the game. Now once you have confirmed that, go back and you should see the option get. Since mine, I already claimed it before, so if it's their first time claiming it, simply you'll see an option get, and then you'll get that game linked to your account. Now once you have linked that game to your account, simply click on your library and then you should find the game. So click on it and then now you should see a folder whereby you want to save that particular game to, and then you can enable these options if you prefer. And this is the download size and the required size on your storage space. So all you have to do is simply click on install and then allow any permissions that might appear. And you can see your game has begun installing. So you can check it from the download tab that appears on the bottom left corner. So you can click on it. And now you can see the progress of which your game is installing. So that's basically the ways of which you can install Marvel Rivals on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.